Hey guys, today we are in Porsche Taycan with this kind of multimedia system, and I'm going to try to show you how to enter the hidden diagnostic menu, the engineering screen in this unit, and I will find out how technically this unit is called so we know what we are dealing with. So when you are in this screen, you need to locate the clock on the upper right corner and use your two fingers and press the current hour with two fingers at the same time. And after a few seconds, both screens will go dark. You need to wait about half a minute, and after that you will see that the system is restarting, and it will start into it will reboot into the engineering mode. And over there we will find some additional information. So let's give it a few more seconds. And we are in the engineering menu. So over here you can trigger an update. You have some logs if updates were performed before, so we can check what was updated. We can go to activation keys, and over here you have all the fetch swap codes that are installed, and you have information if those codes are legal. There are no information about the selected code, sadly. What's else over here? We have version information over here, so we know what we are dealing with. And we can go here to info, and we have some extended information as well about different components of the system. Let's go back, and here you can reboot to normal mode. If you select that, the system will once again reboot and go back into normal operation mode. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe for future ones.